Studying hard is important, but not if it leaves you drained, overwhelmed, and always playing catch-up. When your routine pushes you to the edge, it's easy to burn out, and that's when even simple tasks feel heavy. In this lecture, we will learn a different way to approach your studies. It's not about doing more. It's about doing it in a way that protects your energy, keeps your focus sharp, and helps you stay in the game for the long haul. Because progress isn't just about how hard you push. It's also about knowing when to pause, reset, and return. Lecture objectives. By the end of this lecture, you'll be able to do: recognize early signs of study burnout. Set clear, simple boundaries that protect your focus and energy. Create a balance between work and rest without falling behind. Build a routine that's strong, flexible, and sustainable. Burnout isn't just tiredness. Burnout is when you're mentally done, but keep pushing anyway. You stop absorbing what you study. You feel detached or numb. Everything feels heavier than it should. Early signs include dreading study sessions even for subjects you enjoy, constant fatigue even after resting, feeling behind no matter how much you do, irritability, brain fog, or zoning out. When this happens, your system needs adjusting, not more effort. Balance starts with boundaries. Think of boundaries not as restrictions, but as tools to safeguard your energy and focus for the long run. Setting them allows you to keep showing up, day after day, without burning out. Start by setting a latest stop time each day. For example, no studying after 9 p.m. Creating non-negotiable rest slots throughout your day, whether that's for short breaks, meals, or even a walk. Keeping at least one part of your day completely school-free. These small boundaries guard your mental space and energy, helping prevent that overwhelming feeling of constantly being on. Protect your energy like a resource. Your energy is a finite resource, just like your phone battery. The more you use, the more it drains. And just as you don't wait for your phone to hit 2% before plugging it in, you shouldn't wait until you're running on empty to take a break. Protective habits might include planning your study schedule around your natural focus windows when you're most alert and productive, saying no to back-to-back tasks that leave no room for mental recovery, recharging with activities that restore you, whether that's a hobby, some time in nature, a good night's sleep, or some physical activity. Balance doesn't mean doing less. It means understanding when to pause, rest, and then return with renewed energy without the pressure of constantly pushing. Redefine progress. If you've been measuring progress solely by the number of hours spent studying, it's time to redefine what real progress looks like. True growth isn't about the time you put in, it's about what you gain in that time. So instead of focusing on hours, measure progress by the depth of your understanding and the application of what you've learned. Your consistency, even showing up for just 20 minutes of focused work, can be a victory. Finishing your day with energy left rather than feeling completely drained. Remember, you don't need to do more. You just need to protect and sustain the progress you're already making.